In this video, we're going to show you how to make the best all-natural smoothie, which will help you get rid of all joint pain. This amazing smoothie contains high amounts of healthy nutrients and compounds, which have strong anti-inflammatory properties that can relieve joint pain. It also contains high amounts of vitamin C, bromelain, silicon, and magnesium. And these nutrients also provide strength and energy to all body parts and systems. This smoothie is very simple and easy to make. You just have to follow the simple instructions. You will need the following ingredients: 1 cup, 250 milliliters of water. 25 ounces, 7 grains of cinnamon. 2 cups of pineapple chunks, sliced. 1 cup of instant oatmeal. 1 cup of raw natural orange juice. 5 ounces, 40 grains of crushed almonds. 5 ounces, 40 grains of raw honey. Directions. It's very simple. First, you need to cook the instant oatmeal like you normally would. Just add hot water and let it cool for a bit. Then, you need to squeeze the juice from the pineapple chunks. You can blend the honey, cinnamon, water, and almonds with the orange juice. Make sure you crush the almonds first before you put them in the blender. Or you can buy crushed almonds in the local supermarket. Blend them well, and after that, you can add the pineapple juice and the oatmeal, while it's still blending. Note, and, you can add some ice cubes if you want and blend again. Enjoy your smoothie. You will notice that just after 2 weeks, your joints and knees will be much better and you can walk and even run without any problems. If you suffer from any type of joint pain, and if you want to strengthen the knee ligaments and tendons, then you should definitely try this cinnamon pineapple smoothie. We really hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you.